learners, today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is conquering distances. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the different types of transport that we use, like land transport, water transport and air transport, right? And problem of increasing travel. आपने देखा होगा day by day क्या हो रहा है, traffic increase हो रहा है, तो उससे बहुत सारी problem हो रही है. So what are those problems that I will tell you? So people need to move from one place to another. I have always enjoyed roaming about long distances. वो enjoy कर रहे हैं roaming about long distances. अब वो easily क्या कर सकते हैं, बड़े-बड़े distances भी easily travel कर सकते हैं. So man has always been anxious to know about everything on the earth. Slowly and slowly he traveled over a whole earth. धीरे-धीरे उसने क्या करा है, पूरे earth पे travel करा है, like plains, mountains, hot zones, seas, and even spaces. So since dawn of civilization, what happened? The man has devised means of carrying himself and his goods from one place to another. This long story, how he tamed animal. ये बहुत बड़ी स्टोरी है, कैसे उसने एनिमल्स को टेम करा, कैसे उसने लोड कैरी करा, कैसे उसने व्हील का इन्वेंशन करा, कार्ड्स कैसे बनाए, कार वगैरह कैसे बनाए, ट्रक्स, ट्रेन, शिप्स एंड एरोप्लेन. So invention of wheel जो था वो turning point था in the history of transport. Carts which moved on wheels were built. Initially they were pulled by men and later by animals. Another turning point जो था transport का वो किसके बाद आया, जब steam engine आया. और steam engine लेके कौन आया? James Watt. Right? Now coal was used to initially फिर धीरे-धीरे क्या हुआ, coal का use करा गया to produce steams for the engines, and these engines were invented and then run on diesel or electricity. All modern means of transport, जितने भी modern means of transport है, land के, water के, air के, we are using these engines for the faster transport, जिससे जो transport है वो तेजी से जा सके. So today we live in an area of fast transport which make it possible for us to reach any part of the world much faster than before. So modern means of transport have conquered both time also and distance also. And what he did, made the people in the world closer to each other. Now, need of transport. Today, various types of industries are located in different parts of the world. So, raw material are brought from one place to another or for factories and finished goods, and they are sent to market which is situated in all over the world. So, means of transport, its need for a particular country for the purpose which depends upon the geography of that country. वो किस पे depend करता है? Country के geography पे. Right? Now, means of transport, the present system of transport can be grouped under land, water and air. Let's study about the roadways. So early roads were made of mud and stone and were narrow and rough. There is a vast network of metal road in every country of the world. The roads are, they are needed for the faster and the smoother movement of vehicle, and there is a special straight and broad road in many countries. जिन्हें हम highways और expressway कहते हैं. तो such roads have 4 to 5 lane. ठीक है, हर roads में 4 to 5 lane होती है on each side, and now India has many such road and roads of one country. जो roads है आपके एक country की, वो दूसरे country से क्या है, connected है. Right? Then we have railways. In India, trains are the most popular means of. अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें, जो सबसे important और popular means of transport है, वो है आपका train. So train runs on the tracks and convenient for traveling long distances. They are useful in carrying bulky goods over long distances. Trains are cheaper and more comfortable. So railways was introduced by British in 1853, and the first train that moved from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. The USA has the largest rail network, and India has the second largest rail network in Asia, and the fourth largest in the world. यहाँ पे आपके कुछ रेल रूट्स दिए हैं, you can see them. Now in some countries, railways connect cities on east coast and those with western coast. और the railway lines उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, transcontinental railways, जो आपका USA, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और कनाडा में देखने को मिलता है. Right? We had Trans-Siberian line which stretches along the Europe and Asia. ये longest railway line है world की, which runs from Petersburg and European Russia to Vladivostok, and then the Grand Orient Express जो किसके बीच में रन करती है, Paris in France to Istanbul in Turkey. कौन सी जाती है, Grand Orient Express. An underground railway system is called metro. New York, Tokyo, London, Moscow have the metro system. Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Kochi, Jaipur, Lucknow, Noida and Gurugram, they have a metro system. Now waterways. Water transport began with rafts and small boats. They came the sailboats. जो किसके हेल्प से मूव करते हैं? विंड की. So with the invention of steam engine, water transport also underwent to the revolutionary invention, and by the beginning of 12th century, steam and oil powered engines were being used to power and steer big ships. Today, powerful diesel ships are used as the means of transport and as they are faster and safer. ये faster भी हैं और safer भी है. Then most of the bulky goods, जितने bulky goods जैसे food grains हो गए आपके, ठीक है, और पेट्रोलियम हो गया, मिनरल ऑयल्स हो गया, they all are transported around the world by ships. हम ships का use करके इसको transport करते हैं. A single ship can carry much cargo as thousands of trucks to aircraft. Water transport जो है, it's a cheapest though slower. भाई cheapest तो है, सस्ता है, लेकिन क्या है, धीरे भी बहुत चलता है. So it does not require to be built and there is no money required to maintain it. ठीक है, naturally harbor है. Shipping has promoted international trade. They carry grains, raw material like cotton, rubber and tobacco. वो मिनरल ऑर्स को भी कैरी करते हैं. जैसे आपका आयरन हो गया, मैग्नीज हो गया, बॉक्साइट हो गया, कोल हो गया, एक कॉन्टिनेंट से दूसरी कॉन्टिनेंट. ऑल दिस गुड्स आर कैरिड बाय, किससे कैरी करते हैं इन गुड्स को? कार्गो शिप से. So India has 6,000 kilometer long coastline and its long coastline has number of ports. और आपको ports कहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे? मुंबई, कोलकाता, चेन्नई, कोची, बरमगांव, विशाखापट्टनम. And they are well connected with the rest of the world. Then we have to make sea travel easier and faster. Canals and linking sea has been dug out to cut down the travel distance. So इस canal क्या करता है? आपको Mediterranean Sea को with Red Sea connect करता है, right? Ships from India traveling to Europe as now go through this canal and Panama Canal जो आपके Pacific Ocean को Atlantic Ocean से link करता है. And ship goes from Australia to Europe to Australia and now go through this canal. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको दिखा रखा है स्विस कैनाल, इजिप्ट के पास लाई करता है, and here is Panama Canal. Now airways, fastest और most expensive, सबसे fastest भी expensive भी है. And the first aeroplane was built by Wright brothers in 1903. And he invented an aeroplane, its name is the Flyer. And he stayed in the air for 12 seconds and covered a distance of 230 meter. 12 सेकंड तक आसमान में रहा और कितना distance cover करा? 230 meter. And then we made many improvements and have been made in the shape and speed of aeroplane. Modern aeroplanes can carry more than 500 passengers and large amount of cargo. और वो fly करता है at the height of about 10 kilometer above the sea level और जो उसकी speed होती है वो 1000 kilometer पर एक घंटे में 1000 kilometer जाती है. We have Airbus A380 with the world largest passenger aeroplane. जो more than 800 people को carry करता है. Today, all the important cities of the world are linked with air. Millions of people are flying within the city and outside the country. And we have more than 100 civil airports, Air India, Air Asia, Go Air Indigo, Special Jet, Vistara. ये airlines है जो operate करती है हमारी country में. And Air India operates on international routes. और जितने भी important countries हमारी world की सबको connect करती है. Now problems of increasing traffic. धीरे धीरे क्या हो रहा है? Traffic increase हो रहा है and it's a serious traffic problem that is causing day by day due to large number of vehicles. There is considerably a congestion on roads. It causes accident. To reduce this congestion, we have to improve public transport. हमें public transportation को improve करना पड़ेगा. If it is efficient and fast, people will prefer it then on their own vehicle. So जो underground railway है, metro है, one such method. जिससे आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. जैसे अगर हम बात करें इन इंडिया, कोलकाता क्या है? फर्स्ट सिटी है जिसके पास क्या है? अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो है. एंड efforts are being made to reduce pollution caused by vehicle by using new and efficient fuel. CNG is such a fuel that produces very less pollution. ठीक है, CNG एक ऐसा फ्यूल है जिससे बहुत कम pollution होती है. That is compressed natural gas. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.